brings people to MACH1 absolutely is the great riding. We have some of the best riding roads in the world. You add that to a beautiful community which wants to welcome bikers, you add that to the great acts and this perfect environment, then you've got something rather special.
I like the idea of the treasure hunt. That's really sort of gets your mind going, gets you out there, gets you a focus for the day.
Biking around here is unbelievable. Although I'm not new to the area, I didn't appreciate just how good it is.
As much as I've ridden in Wales, there's always new roads to find, and of course Nick and the guys he knows it like the back of his hand.
It's been the atmosphere, the sense of camaraderie, the fraternity of bikers. People have just gelled right from the moment we arrived.
Absolutely mind-blowing. I've really enjoyed it. You can see that the effort that everyone's put into it, lots of different sort of things, been to lots of rallies in the past, but we'll certainly be back again.
Grandad here, he likes to drop a red wine, but a rosé. Does anyone like to drink a rosé?
Yamaha's destination adventure for me isn't just a place to go to, it's a way of thinking, and MACH1 is just another way of having such an adventure experience.